Hey everybody, the Vacuum Doctor here. In this video, we're just going to be replacing the bin seal ring on your Dyson V11 Outsize. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Only need two tools, which is a flathead screwdriver. Make sure it's as skinny as this. Okay. Then we need a Torx T.V.D screwdriver. Okay, the star one. And that's about it. And you're going to need a replacement seal ring. But it has to be a V11 Outsize. A normal V11 won't fit. Okay, once you see this, you can't put it back on. Glue can only work for so long, but it won't work. All right, so what we're gonna do? Open it, red lever here, and all this will fall out. These go out. Grab your T.V.D Torx screwdriver, and in this little screw right here, I'm gonna remove this. Next, we're going to grab our flathead screwdriver, and we want to aim to get our flathead to push these parts out. These guys are just having a little sleep, so we just put our flathead inside the bin and just push, and push. And we can just look at it as so. Now, if you have a replacement or you brought a brand new one, that's fine. What you're going to want to do, I use baby powder, and I want to put about this much baby powder around the seal, around that red seal, and shake off the excess. The reason I put the red baby powder, if it's brand new, it's just going to be rough, guys. It's going to be too hard to open up the bin, and then it's going to cause more force, and then it's going to break this. Now, all we're going to do next is line up this part to this part here. Once you've done that, go around, and we want to press down, making sure all three clips are in correctly. That's in, and that's in. Next, put your screw back in. Tie it till it stops. Then line it back up. And you're done. If this helps you out, please subscribe, leave a like, and share. Thanks for watching. Happy vacuuming.